Hi, good evening to all. Today I am going to say about 5 endangered animals. One of the first one is the one-horned rhinoceros. It is a herbivore. It is hunted for its one horn. The second one is nigiri thar. It is hunted for its curved horns and it is a herbivore. The third one is Bengal tigers. The tigers are hunted for their fur and they are carnivores. The fourth one is the Asiatic lion. It is hunted for its mane and it is a carnivore. The last but not least is the black buck. It is hunted for its beautiful horns. It is a herbivore. Now I had said 5 endangered animals. Those are the one-horned rhinoceros, the nigiri thar, the Bengal tigers, the Asiatic lion, and the black buck. Now I conclude my speech by saying, please protect our animals. Thank you. Have a nice day.